Hey guys, just wanted to show you a new model of knife I'm making. This is my bird and trout model. This is the prototype. It is 16th inch AEBL, heat treated to 60 HRC. The blade is just over 3.5 inches long. The handle is 3 7/8 inches long. It has a full height grind on it, very slightly convexed. It was a 0 ground edge, and then I just put a tiny micro bevel on it. Super thin. The handle is peel ply textured orange G10. They are removable with torque screws. I made it removable so as it gets covered in filth from cleaning fish or birds or small game, whatever you want to use it for, you can take it apart and clean the entire knife. Very lightweight. The handle is actually the exact same handle that's on my Patriot model. So yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks.